Hey y'all, so today I am super excited to bring to you this one digital product that is going to explode your sales if you follow the steps that I am going to give you in this video. I'm going to show you step by step of what to do, how to do it, and exactly where to go to get this done. And if you do this correctly and follow the steps that I'm going to give you in this video, you can begin making sales as soon as this month. It is the time of the year where a lot of people are spending a lot of money, and because of this is the perfect time for you to get started. And not only can you make sales during the holiday seasons, but this one digital product is something that you can maneuver and use throughout the whole entire year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, you guys, so the company we're going to use today is going to be called BookBoat. And with BookBoat, you're able to get a 3-day free trial where you're able to play around with them to see if this is a tool that you want to use for your digital product business. I highly recommend that you take advantage of those 3 days and that you go on here and watch those tutorials and see how this will be beneficial for your business. So once you have signed up for BookBoat, this is what you will see on your page once you have logged in. So the first thing you're going to do is go over here to the research tab to your left, and we're going to hit create. Now, if you want to learn BookBoat and you want to learn how to do everything within BookBoat, you can watch these different tutorials that they offer, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to teach you guys step by step of how to use this in order for you to create your first digital product. And in today's video, we're going to be creating a journal. Now, it is the time of the year where a lot of people are trying to get their lives together. A lot of people are trying to find themselves and do the inner work, and this is why we are going to use this for the purpose of this video. So once you are in here, you're going to hit the BookBoat Studio, and you will see where it has the new project, and this is what will appear. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to create the cover and the interior. We're going to leave the trim in the standard size, and we're going to leave the interior pages in black and white. Now down here at the bottom, you can change your page count, and for the purpose of this video and because it is a journal, I'm going to put that at 100 pages. Once you have selected everything, you will see how the back of your cover will look as well as the front of your cover. So on the left side, you have the back cover. On the right side, you have your front cover. We're going to hit this at the top, and you're going to hide the cover template. The purpose in hiding the cover template is so that once you are creating your cover, this is not shown in that area. Now over here to your far left, what you want to do is hit the picture, and you want to hit Pixabay. Now Thanksgiving is around the corner, and if you want to choose something pertaining to the next holiday season, you can do that. Or if you already have a brand and you're wanting to just add journals to your brand, maybe you're in a manifestation niche and you want to have this for your brand, or if you're in the self-care, you can choose whatever keyword it is within your niche to see what kind of pictures may pop up. Or if you already have a picture that you would like to put for your cover, maybe you created something within Canva as your design, you can use that. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put in self-care. So I do like how this looks, and I'm going to choose this for my cover page. Now once I have this, I don't want my journal to just be white, so I'm going to hit this box up here beside apply to all pages, and I want to change the color of this. Okay, so this is what we are working with as of now. So if you wanted to add a quote or something to make this even more so your brand, you're going to go over here to the left side and you will hit the T, and this is where you will be able to add the heading. So if you wanted to add a heading, this is basically all you would have to do is just hit add heading, and you will put in whatever you want to put on here. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna make this be smaller. And if you want to change the color, you can change the color. I'm gonna change it to white just to give it a look. You can go here and hit shape. So with this, I want to take the shape and I want to go over here to where it's a rectangle to my right. And I want to bring that to the back. And this is how it's going to look. So I need to make my rectangle a little bigger. And this is how your design will look. Now, once you have created your cover photo, the next thing we have to do is create the inside of your journal. You're going to hit that button. You're going to go over here to the left and you're going to hit right below the photo. And there are different interior designs that you can choose from, but because we are creating a notebook, we're going to keep it simple. And you can go through here, you guys, and just see what it is that you like, just depending on which one you are doing. But for the purpose of this video, because we are doing the journal, basic journal, we're going to choose this to look at the variants. I'm not liking that one. So I'm going to go with the journal style here. And I like to get wide rule for myself, and that is what I'm going to use. So here it's asking you if you want to select just certain pages or if you would like to choose your entire page. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select all my pages because I am doing a journal and each page will look the same. So you want to choose select all, but then you want to deselect your cover photo. And I'm going to leave the margins the same. And now we're going to wait for everything to upload for us. So I'm going to go and just add this to the back of my cover photo as well. And this is how everything is going to be. Okay, so if you scroll, you can see that all of your pages are just blank pages. So if you wanted your pages to stand out a little more, what you could do is go on here and look at like shapes or something, and you can just add it on here. So I'm gonna take that and just move it around, and I can hit save. So you guys, you can go on here and literally customize how you want this to look. And once you have your journal and the cover and everything how you want it to look, the next thing you're going to do is hit download. And because we are going to have it where we're able to get this printed for us without us having to do anything as in printing or having to find someone to print it for you, you're going to hit download current project, and it's going to be printed books, and it's going to save. Now the next step, I will be showing you guys exactly where to upload this and how to market your journal so that you can get sales. Alright, for the second part of printing your actual journal, you will need to have a Amazon KDP, and you can go on Google and you can just type in Amazon KDP, or you can use the web browser that is above, kdp.amazon.com. You want to join the KDP, and this is free for you. Once you have signed up for the KDP, this is what you will see. You will need to complete your account information to publish a book. Now once you are on this page, what you're going to do is hit the create, and we're going to choose paperback. Now you have to make sure on this page that you do put your book title as the same thing that you have entered within the BookBolt title description when you first got started. And the reason why is if you do not, then Amazon KDP will not allow this to be published. So you have to make sure whatever title you put in on your BookBoat, this is the same title that you're using for the KDP Amazon. For the author, you're going to put your name. And if it's more than just you had anybody who contributed to this, you can put that as well. And then you want to summarize your description. Now for this part, what I would do is go on Amazon and look at other people's description and take that description from off of Amazon and take that and put it into ChatGPT and allow ChatGPT to give you a description for your actual journal based off of what kind of journal you have. So you want to take something that is being used already, or you can ask ChatGPT to just basically create you a description for a self-care journal. So after you have created your description, the next thing you want to do is hit the publishing rights. You have to put either you own the copyright, or if this is a public domain that's working for you. So because we are creating this ourselves, this is going to be that you own this actual journal. And then here you want to type in, does this cover or interior contain sexual images and all of that. For this purpose, it is no. The primary marketplace will be Amazon. And the category we're going to use for this book is going to be self-care. So we can use self-help. So we have our 3. And now here you want to type in keywords. So when it comes to the keywords, you will have to do a little research to find out what the keywords are. So I suggest that you go back to BookBoat and you can play around to see exactly what keywords other people who are selling journals are possibly using, and you can add those keywords. The keywords are going to be important though, because with keywords, this is how your book will be found when it comes to people finding you on Amazon. But I'm also going to tell you guys another way that you can market your journal without having to only use Amazon for your marketing. So once you have done all of this, the next thing you want to do is hit save and continue so that it will release your book. Now, because this is just me showing you guys how to do this, I'm not going to actually go ahead and release this book because it's not something that I want on myself for content. But once you do actually release your book, it's going to take up to 72 hours for it to actually become live. Okay, so once you have your journal actually created, in order for you to begin making sales and marketing without just waiting on Amazon to give you sales, what you can do is start promoting your journal yourself to your audience. If you are someone who already has your digital product business, you can begin email marketing to your different target audience, or if you already have an audience on social media, you can also begin to promote your journal onto social media to drive traffic. Now, if you decide to do it this way, you don't have to let people know that it is your journal or that it is your digital product that is being sold. You can literally just come up with different ways for you to show this by incorporating it into daily activities that you are already doing. So let's just say if you are someone who's on your journey already, what you can begin to do is just show this journal onto your platform as you begin to write every morning, and just give entertainment so that people can say, okay, I need to get that as well, because you always see things, and every time you see something, it makes people want to purchase it. So the more you put it in their face, the more it will make them say, wait a minute, I need to get this because this may be helping them. So you want to just come up with catchy things and catchy ways to actually show the journal without you having to advertise that it is yours. Now, if you already have your actual business, you can allow people to know that it is yours if that is something that you want to incorporate within your actual digital product business. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you found it to be helpful, make sure you give me a like on this video so so that the algorithm will push it out to more people who needs this kind of information. I am Tiara. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stick around and watch more videos that's going to help you begin your digital product business and begin generating sales in as little as today. Love you guys, and I'll see you back here on the next one. Bye.